Troy Melton, 6'4", 210-pounder from Newport Beach, California. Misses for the Ducks. The pitch here is at the knees. Left-handed batter Halpin. Batting just under 290. The wind, the pitch, and that one really sailed. It can be tough. Next pitch. All that time in the dugout. Here's the payoff pitch, and it's fouled back to the screen. Again, 3-2 pitch, and this one's in on the hands and lifted out to shallow right field. It'll fall in for a base knock. At third against Brian Rocchio, batting left-handed against red batting gloves, red sleeve against that teal. Now Melton comes to the plate, and that ball is whacked over the outstretched glove of Gage Workman and into right field. C.J. Kafis has done nothing but hit this year. He takes from the belt, comes to the plate, and the pitch is swung on.
Sunglasses over and gave them to him.
Next pitch is foul. Here's the 1-2. And it's shot foul down the left. Rocchio from first. Here's the pitch. Bender missed the outside corner, not by much.
Called fielder is reversed. Batter is out.
So
that'd be huge.
Johnny Rodriguez had a 2 all-weather. Here's the pitch. And it's a fastball down and in. 2-0 pitch, well outside the pitch. Taken the whole way, never the other way. The pitch is shot the other way, but foul. The pitch. Heater again, and he did get it by him, and he got it up there at 98.6 miles per hour. Left-handed batter's box, the pitch. He takes a called strike on Arizona and just back on the Clippers roster to begin this series. Swings and chops one on the third base side. Not many hit it farther. Here, though, he swings and misses at the 0-2, breaking ball in on his hands for strike 3. And after first pitch to Anchia is right there for a call. 0-1 pitch. Next pitch, swung on and missed, 97. Valdez. He had a homer yesterday. His next offering is hit high in the air to left field, pretty deep. Baddoo heading back. He's at the warning track. He's at the wall. He leaps, and it's gone. I think if he got to the spot, he has the type of vertical where he might. Milan Tolentino, first pitch a strike. The next is well outside. 1 ball. The 1-1, high and away, 2 balls. Pitch to him is grounded foul. Pick of the guards back in 2020. Next pitch is swung on and fouled, bounce. The 3-2. And that golf high in the air. Deep right center field and gone! Run of the season. But home runs are not. Cairo, 0-1 pitch. Breaking ball, strike on the inside. 0-2 to Cairo. Breaking ball down. Instead, Miguel played in the game majors 1,500 games. Kicks and fires, and a breaking ball cutter to go with it. Next pitch is in for. Next pitch, fastball, dialed that one up and gets his. Next pitch, and that's the fastball than the rest of his repertoire. Here he delivers, and that's the slider.
Anything that's a little bit different.
Next pitch, fastball, and swung on and missed for strike 3.
And Troy Melton struck out the side after that. Here's Melton's first pitch, and it is taken. Next pitch, and he went to an off-speed single or home run, or he struck a guy out. That's it. Here's to it. Next pitch, swung on and hit in the air to center field. Backing up is Brewer Hicklin. He's got plenty of room to hold this one in. From Melton is over the inside corner for the 0-1 pitch. That one's too far inside. He'll stay in that spot. The pitch still sails outside. Just awaiting the next pitch, and he swings and he grounds it toward the second baseman. Having to dive is Workman. He gets up, and by the time he throws the first, struck out swinging his first time up. And the pitch is swung on, and that one is hit off. Next pitch, taken right down the middle. Pitch is swung on, chopped toward the middle. Moving left to grab at the shortstop. Backhanded flip to second for 1. On to first, double play. Ryan Kreidler. George struck out his first time up. And the first pitch to him is taken a little bit out. First AAA hit of the year. Here's the pitch, swung on and popped him up. This will slice out of play, though. Here comes the 1-1 pitch. And this one is a little bit low in the first inning. Next pitch way inside. Valeri getting back to the plate. And it's popped foul again. And the payoff pitch. Swung on and bounced foul. 3-2 pitch again. Swung on, grounded sharply, but right at the second baseman, Gage Workman. He'll scoop it up and throw to first base. First pitch, and this is swung on and hit down the left side. This one is hooking toward the foul pole, and it is just foul. Next pitch, that one's off the plate outside. They've been seeing here. Next offering, this one, the timing gets the lesser of the opportunities, but still hitting 296 right now. Here he swings and nubs one off the end of the bat. Pitcher, center field. First pitch to him, and this one is a strikes. It's going to be a heck of a lot more dangerous. Without a bunt for a base hit. Next pitch is taken over the inside corner. And the 1-2 pitch is swung on, line to center field. That's a base hit. Here's the pitch. Tolentino swings and misses. Couldn't get. Next pitch, swung on, hit in the air to center field. This one will stay up, and now having to make a quick adjustment. Brewer Hicklin, he started.
More at Huntington.com/yourmoney. Yankees, but right now, top of the 5th inning. Bronx Bombers lead them 2-0. This series in Chicago, 3-2 is the final for the Mud Hens in the bullpen. Next pitch is hit high in the air and deep to center field. Back on it, Hicklin. He's got room, and he'll. First pitch is leading by a 4-1 score. Is a final. 1-1 pitch, breaking ball, that's a strike. And they beat the Atlanta Braves on the road 11-10. The count to Halpin, here's the pitch. And it's a fastball off the outside. That would have been before that or after that. One down, base is empty, the 3-2 pitch. Golfed foul against the Padres. There's another foul ball. Pitch at bat in the first inning, 6 pitches in the second inning, and now he's caught looking at strike 3 on a breaking ball, an 8 pitch at bat.